Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel.
The word science originates from the Latin word scientia, which means to know, to experience, to see, to observe. Physics comes under which of the following type of science? Engineering science, mathematical science, natural science, applied science. Classical science mainly deals with dash phenomena, transport, macroscopic, surface, microscopic. Atomic and molecular phenomena are dealt with by dash Newtonian mechanics, applied mechanics, fluid mechanics, quantum mechanics. Which of the following is correct about scientific theory? Can be revised if required, is changed to suit new fashion, cannot be changed, is fixed once. Macroscopic domain includes phenomena at laboratory, tertiary scales, astronomical scales, all of these. Who is known as the father of experimental physics? Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo, Rutherford. Who is known as father of physics of 20th century? Albert Einstein, Madame Curie, Sir C.V. Raman, Niels Bohr. The most comprehensible thing about the world is that it is comprehensible. This statement was given by Aristotle, Newton, Einstein, Galileo. An Indian scientist who won Nobel Prize for Physics is Sir J.C. Bose, Sir C.V. Raman, M.N. Saha, H.J. Baba. The approach to derive the properties of a bigger, more complex system from the properties and interactions of its constituent simpler parts is called reductionism, thermodynamics, prediction, none of these. Microscopic domain includes dash phenomena, atomic, molecular, nuclear, all of these. Who discovered the law of forces action between charges? Coulomb, Einstein, Newton, Huygens. A supposition that is put forward as a probable solution to a natural phenomenon is called a hypothesis, theory, law, belief. Which of the following is fundamental force in nature? Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, nuclear force, all of these. Matter is mostly electrically positive, negative, neutral, both A and B. The protons and neutrons are built out of still more elementary constituents called quarks, nuclear force, electromagnetic force, electrons. Macroscopic forces are contact forces between bodies, viscous forces, surface tension of a liquid, all of these. The scientific principle involved in production of ultra high magnetic fields is superconductivity, digital logic, photoelectric effect, laws of thermodynamics. Charge on an electron was first determined by Bohr, Millikan, Thomson, Rutherford. Photocells are based on superconductivity, digital logic, both A and B, photoelectric effect. Generation, propagation and detection of electromagnetic waves is the basis of computers, radio and television, reactors, lasers. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.